We are quickly approaching the island of Roatán, Honduras, which is our port of call for today here on the Grandeur of the Seas. Today we have booked a private tour with Roatán 5 Stars. And if all goes as planned, we're going to hang out with some sloths, we're going to hang out with some monkeys, and we're going to eat some chocolate. Which is not a bad way to spend a day in the Caribbean. Whoa, little monkey. Hey, you don't want that. Hey, you don't want that. Hello. You just scratch your butt right there on me. Okay.
First time holding a monkey coat?
Yes.
Wow. They like you guys.
Apparently.
But they're kind of wet right now, so they're gonna have you guys on the door.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So this guy's not left me alone for 20 minutes. What are the names? Flash and
Speedy Gonzalez.
Speedy Gonzalez.
You're holding Speedy, and
This is Speedy.
your friend holding Flash.
And this is Flash. Maybe there's Flash. Give us a little history of the island, Roatán, and also the delicacy here is iguana. Off to the chocolate factory. Second stop at the chocolate factory, where they not only tell you the history of chocolate, which is very important, going all the way back to the Mayans, but they're more than happy to sell you chocolate. And of course you can buy something. Get some pretty interesting flavors here. You can mix and match. Now I walk right across the way to the Rusty Fish Craft Market. Oh yeah. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, just so you know, this is a recycling
Everything in here is recycled art. A lot of it from stuff that washes up on the shore here in Roatán. And of course that means lots and lots and lots of sloth crafts. Some of these magnets are made from bottle caps, and the earrings are made from recycled pull tabs from soda cans. And of course lots of local coffee as well. It's one of the highest points on the island. It's going to provide some really good views. So let's take a quick look. It's a bit loud, but this is the view from behind the rum company. Gives you a panoramic view of the side of the island. And if you can see, I don't know if you can, out there, you might be able to see a little bit of brown in the water. That is actually the coral reef that is part of the second largest coral reef in the world here off the coast of Honduras. Second only to that, the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. The three largest industries on this island are tourism, which we're a part of, seafood, which I hope to be part of, and construction, which there is a lot of going on in this area. They're working on the roads, they're building a golf course, they're building a lot of homes and vacation places. So if that's any indication, it would appear things are going rather well here on Roatán. Need to get a picture of the sign to verify that we've been here. Headed back to the ship. So that concludes our day here on Roatán in Honduras with Roatán 5 Stars. We saw monkeys, we saw sloths, we ate chocolate, we went to the rum factory and got a great view of the island. It was great. Roatán 5 Stars was great, and tomorrow it's on to Belize.